Hello friends, welcome to stylenwe. Friends, today I'll be reviewing the Wiseblender from Wiseshe Store. Actually, Wiseshe Store is of Anamika Sureka, and I have been in connection with her since 8 to 9 years. She has one of the topmost blog of India, wiseshe.com, and I used to write in her blog as a freelancer, and from there my journey for loving makeup and as a makeup enthusiast started. Actually, the whole credit goes to Wiseshe. And last year around, she launched her own makeup accessories like brushes, blenders, then she has lashes, then she has eyelash curlers, and many more to come in future. And I bought the blender just now. I have one of her brush and I even used it in many of my videos. I love that. And now it was time for the blender. This is Wiseblender Clear Cut Precise Beauty Makeup Sponge, latex free. So now let's talk about the packaging.
It comes in a black cardboard square box where the Wiseshe tag is there, and inside is a transparent box where you can keep the blenders in future. At the back of the cardboard box, the price and other details are written. And now let's open the transparent box. Here comes the small little pink cute blender and my main blender, that is a precise cut blender. These are so soft, guys, so soft. Now it's time to apply my makeup with these blenders. So I have got them wet in water, and see, look at the size of these blenders. They have increased so much and still so soft. I'm in just love with these actually. Just have a look. Wow. Now I'll be applying foundation with the white beauty blender, and let's see how it goes. Oh, I'm loving it. Look at the blending, guys. It's blending so beautifully. Just have a look, it blended my foundation beautifully and so soft. I'm in just love with its softness. Wow. Now my foundation is done. Now some contouring. Now I'll be doing my contouring using the big blender as well as the smaller one. And here, as you can see, I use the smaller one to just blend out my concealer on the tip of the nose, on the eyes and edges for the precise look, because the bigger one won't get on the corners of my eyes and this one will. So now I'm done with it. Now I'll be applying blush with the help of the small blender. I'm using cream blush from Sephora. And look at that, guys, it blends out so beautifully. I think these are like all-purpose blenders. You can apply foundation, you can do your concealer, you can do contouring with the help of it, you can apply blush. And now it's time for highlighting. I'm using a cream based highlighter. Sorry for the disturbance, some construction work is going on nearby. Even the highlighting is done very beautifully with the help of the small blender. Look at it. So here I am done with my full makeup with the help of these Wiseshe beauty blenders.
talking about the pros and cons of this Wiseblender from Wiseshe Store. So let me tell you that I don't find any con as per my experience, which I just even showed you in the video. I tried it for the first time in the video. It was brand new. वो तो condition देख के आपको पता चल ही गया होगा, because it was pure white in color and now the color has been changed because of the products. And this small little blender helped me a lot in the precise areas like near the eyes if I've already done my eye makeup, and this clear cut precise beauty blender helped me in my contouring from this corner, and then from here I did my foundation. Guys, actually I would personally recommend this beauty blender if you are planning to buy any beauty blender of a high-end brand. Then please give this a try, because this is the most softest one I have ever found in my life. Just look, and not only the softness is amazing, the blending part is also amazing. So please give it a try. I have given all the links in my description box wherever you'll be getting these beauty blenders. It's available in Amazon, it's available in wiseshestore.com, and with very good discounts also sometimes. So guys, here was a review about this blender. Actually I tried to give the most honest review about this blender. So if you liked and if you are satisfied with the review, don't forget to like and comment on my video, and if new viewer is watching us, please do subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon for the future updates. Till then, take care of your family, take care of yourself, keep blending with the blenders. Bye bye.